The story of Iran is a special tale of different generations. A four-season country with kind people, diverse cultures, languages, and attire. Customs and the celebration of joyful events reflect the ancient traditions of the Iranian people and continue to do so. In a world shrouded in eternal darkness and cold nights, a son is born into absolute darkness, known as Mitra or Mitra, an ancient Iranian legend. They say he was born of Anahita, the goddess of fertility, standing behind the throne of the Sassanid king with the emblem of Mitra on her back. The birth of Mitra has multiple narratives. Some believe he was born from a rock, and some claim he emerged from the blossom of the blue water lily, a famous symbol often seen in the prominent figures of the Achaemenid era, such as Darius the Great, who sits on the royal throne. Mitra was born on the first night of winter, a night known as Yalda night, the longest night of the year. Mitra was the enemy of darkness and cold, the adversary of Ahriman. Although born in winter, wherever he stepped, he brought light and warmth to push winter towards spring. When Mitra reached his youth, he intended to sacrifice a bull to aid the earth's fertility and combat the forces of evil and Ahriman. The bull, strong and formidable, fled from Mitra, but a crow and a dog showed Mitra the bull's location. Mitra took the bull to a cave and sacrificed it, causing the earth to become fertile, leading to the growth of wheat and the flourishing of trees. However, Ahriman was not idle. He desired to make the land dark and barren. So, under his command, snakes, scorpions, and ants devoured the bull's blood to spill it onto the earth. Still, Mitra once again made the blood flow on the land. From the moment of his birth, Mitra waged a battle against Ahriman, a battle between light and the darkness of unfruitful coldness and the warmth of growth. Ahriman caused droughts and natural disasters, while Mitra was the bringer of love, life, and fertility. Mitra taught everything from building houses to cultivating crops to humanity. And on another Yalda night, he sacrificed another bull and ascended to the sky. Perhaps he became the sun, or the sun drew its light from him. Whatever it may be, after Yalda night, the days grew longer and the nights shorter. This ancient legend is today just a story from our ancient ancestors. A story that can be seen as a symbol of the fear of winter coldness, droughts, and natural disasters, as well as hope for overcoming the hardships of life and the promise of a bountiful harvest. Yalda night, centuries ago, was a celebration of Mitra's birth to welcome the arrival of spring and the promise of a fruitful year. Today, this night is still Yalda night, a time for gathering and hope for a better life.